Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're making the perfect crispy roasted Hasselback potatoes. These Hasselback potatoes is clearly one of the most impressive side dish. They are a great alternative to the popular twice baked potatoes, and your family will sure love them. So as you can see over here that they are all cooked. The outside is crispy, the inside is well cooked and fluffy and nice. So let's get into the kitchen and make them. I have 3 potatoes, not looking too well, but we're gonna make best of them. And I did wash them thoroughly. Now we're gonna melt some butter, and it all depends on how many potatoes you are gonna be using. You melt your butter to suit. Then I'm gonna chop some parsley, add some salt, black pepper, and stir them well. At this time you can also add some freshly grated or chopped garlic, but I'm not using any garlic into mine. Now you want to cut your potatoes about 3/4 way through into a thin fan-like slice. All right, or slices as I should say, just like this. And you want to make sure that you do a good average, that when your potatoes are well baked, they're going to be fanned out and you're going to see the slices looking all beautiful and nice. I just love the pattern on these potatoes, man. Look at them. Just like this. Once I'm done cutting them, I'm going to place a foil paper into my baking pan, and then I'm going to place the potatoes into the pan. Now I'm going to also add some olive oil into my butter mixture. Combine it well, and then you want to just dab it right over the potatoes. You can also use a knife to help to open up the slits so that the mixture can get right in between the potatoes, just like this. If you don't manage to get it done, bake it for 25 minutes, then baste it again. At this time you can guarantee that the mixture is going to seep right through those slits. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to pop them right back into the oven and let them bake again for another 10 to 15 minutes. It all depends on the heat that you're using. Once it's done baking, we'll take them out again, and the liquid that has been produced from the olive oil and butter, we're going to take that and just baste our potatoes again. And there you have it. Simple, easy, and nice. Some potatoes tends to open up, so I'm going to take a toothpick and just stick them in together just so that they can stay in shape. And here you have it, guys. They make a perfect side dish. They're often most served with main course. So give it a try. It is simple, it is easy, it is so tasty and nice. Serve with some sour cream dip. You can serve with also some ketchup, whatever you choose to. So don't you forget to subscribe, give my video a thumbs up, and enjoy. I will see you in my next video. Bye.